Hey guys, my name is Leda Fazal. I own Tone Hair Salon in Raleigh, North Carolina, and today I have a beautiful color correction. So as you can see, look at this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful silver gray hair. We are going to blend out this color. This is a Madison Reed color that she has on her hair. She did go to a previous hairstylist and she did get some highlights. However, we're going to do things differently because I don't like to just add bleach onto somebody's hair to remove the color. I'm going to do a couple of color removers before I start the transition. So stay with me and make sure you're subscribing. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Leda Fazal, and let's do this. So this is not to make my client feel any kind of way. She did try a 𝗧𝗢𝗡 cut. I think the butterfly cut, okay? But as you can see, it's like a very, very deep V, but it left pretty much like nothing else here, okay? So my suggestion is when you're doing any type of cut that you learn online, take it in steps, like take it slowly, maybe cut just a little at a time, or get a mannequin head. It's worth the $50 mannequin head you get at Sally's, and try that cut on a mannequin head before you try it on yourself. Although it didn't look bad, it doesn't look bad. It's just that the ends are kind of like straggly. So today we are going to cut this right off. So let's go. Bye-bye. Look at how much fuller her hair already looks. Like, that wasn't doing it. Look at it. That really was just hanging on for dear life. First thing I'm going to do is use some CPR and let her sit under some heat to get out some of this darker color. Color correction specialist. Okay, well, she's going to sit under heat for about 30 minutes or so for the first process. We are using CPR after we rinsed her color destructor, and now this is sitting on her head for about 40 minutes. I've got that CPR I'm about to rinse off, but I wanted to show you guys what's happening here. Look at that. Okay, that's our previous color. We are going to do a little more things here and then get her highlighted. Yeah. Alrighty, so that was 2 color removers, and now I'm going to go in with the highlights. She is fully foiled. Now I'm going to go in between with a gloss that's going to kind of cover up a little of these kind of yellowy, golden, reddish areas, but without touching her hair. So that's the magic. And just so y'all see what's going on here. This was pretty dark, so it's definitely getting there. Definitely getting there. I'm going to apply this kind of in between where I did her teeth, okay? So when it combs out, it's gonna be beautifully blended. And you know, something like, you definitely could leave out this part, but I don't like to see those warm pieces when I have done all this work.
I don't wanna save ya, don't wanna be strangers. Let me feel like you know what to do. Leave your limitations, live and go against them. Just let go and start up something new. 'Cause 'Cause I know that what you planned out, everything that you built up, isn't what you want. And I know the life you're living isn't that fulfilling. Let me help you out. Lay your love on me. Leave your head and let your mind be free. Save yourself and leave the words you've spoken. 'Cause some dreams are meant to be broken. Lay your love on me. Leave your head and let your mind.
All right, this is round 1, and we are going in for round 2. Make sure everything's nice and cleaned up as you go, okay? All right, guys, so it's been since 10, 6.5 hours. We ended up doing oils on her twice, and then we toned her. And check out this blend. I'm gonna come up close there. I did not touch her natural, and what we did was blend it out as best we could without damaging her hair, so that she has less of a maintenance. So what she's been doing is Madison Reed, level 5. Madison Reed, it was hard as hell to pull up, I'm not gonna lie. Like, that was no joke. I had to do a couple different color corrections on her. I had to foil her twice. And I believe it was a double pigment, which makes it just that much harder to break through. But we're good, we're happy, and you know, she'll probably check on it in a couple months. We might try to tackle it again, or she could just come in for toners and let her natural grow in, because we don't want to damage her hair. You know, that's more important. Y'all have a great day. If you're not following me, follow me right here, subscribe, and follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Leda Fazal.